Hello and welcome to the Leathercraft Masterclass. In this video I'm doing some unboxing. So normally I do this live, but I thought I would change it up and do an IGTV video and post this on YouTube as well. This is an unboxing video from a package that I was sent by JP and Mary Rowland from Malle En Coin. And if you haven't followed Malle En Coin, I will link them below so you can go check them out. They are a trunk restoration company. They buy and sell trunks, luggage, vintage mostly. And they have sent me this package, which is very nice of them. So I'm going to undo it. I recently went to visit them in France. I believe the place is called Haguenau. I hope I pronounced that right. It's near Alsace in France. Where are we going? Where am I going? Here we go. So let's very carefully open this up. There is some rather fragile contents, or rather special should I say. So we don't want to cut into that, that would be rather disastrous. So there's two packages inside. So let's take these out and see what's inside. Move that out of the way. Right, so this first one that I have here, let's find out what's in this one. I think I know what it is. Well, I know what it is, but it's in either one of these, so I have to carefully see. So very careful, very careful. Let's take some of these out and see what's inside. Right, so let's put that aside for 1 second. Okay, so I'm not going to use the blade on this one. Alright, so does this slide off? Yes, it does. It looks like looks like a pallet, you know, those little pallets, and you wrap them up. Okay, so here we go. Oh, it is a mini pallet. Oh, isn't that cool? Well, that's going to come in handy for coffee in the workshop, so no more stains on the work surface. Perfect. I love that. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so what this is a Louis Vuitton doll's case. So it's a miniature piece of luggage, very similar to the design and setup of an attaché case. So if you watch my recent course making the attaché case, you may recognize some of the construction on this. I did get a chance to look at this when I was in France visiting Malle En Coin. So let's take a look, very carefully opening, and look at that, fully lined, with a little bit of a cross hatch grain going on there. Looks like a miniature Russian hatch, very similar to Saffiano, I'd say. And you can see on the construction the angles at the top that have come in so that the case lid can actually go over the top. So very, very similar to an attaché case. And it says Louis Vuitton on the side with, it looks like some kind of stamp, 756406 or G. I think that might be a G. But fully lined, and look at that, how beautiful that is. I mean, the construction, the craftsmanship on this is impeccable. All the edges you can see, little crease lines going on there. And of course the infamous box stitching. Be interesting to find out, actually, using some of these, what size pricking iron they've been using. So if we count 10 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I've done that correctly. The size is, yeah, pretty much bang on 30 millimeters. So if you divide that by 10, we have a 3 millimeter spacing. So that's about 9 stitches per inch. Now the reason that Malle En Coin has sent this to me is because they want me to make a miniature handle to go over the top. So the handle on this is actually missing. So no idea where it's gone to. It was given to them by one of the relatives of the Vuitton family, but we don't know where the handle has gone. So he's asked me if I can make a miniature version. So the kind that I'm going to make is going to be quite similar to this. So this is a prototype attaché case handle. So similar to this in some ways, without the filler underneath. So it'll be flat underneath and it will have the raised area in the center. So obviously it won't be a practical handle because it's not going to be carried with a hand. It's for a doll. So it's going to be very, very small. But you can see it's going to have to be some fine detail. So I'm going to be matching the stitching to the rest of the little case here. So it's going to be 3mm. So let's double check that. I've got a little 3mm Wuta iron here. So let's just double check that. Yes, exactly bang on, yeah. So that's a 3mm spacing. I might even use a vintage iron for that actually. Just because it's a vintage piece. I don't actually know how old it is. I honestly couldn't even guess. I'll have to ask JP. He'll know a bit more about it than I can, but I don't know the dates of anything, when these were made, what kind of era. But it's pretty old. So let's take a look at this. So I'm assuming, solid brass by the way, this piece here. Assuming this is a little strap that goes around the outside. Again, another piece of brass here. The craftsmanship is beautiful, it really is. It's so tiny. So I'm guessing that goes on the outside. So I'm not going to be doing any kind of restoration work to that. I'm going to be leaving it alone. Jean-Philippe, JP, is the expert in that area, so I'm going to leave that to him if he wants to do any restoration. I mean, it's beautiful as it is, to be honest. What I'm going to be doing is just the handle part. So keep an eye out on Instagram over the next few days and weeks, and I'll be showing you the progress on that. So let's put that aside for 1 second. There is another package that I've been sent. Oh, this one says gift for you. Ah, thank you. Thank you, JP. What's this? What's this? I've actually seen this on your website. Okay, yes. That looks like, is that a Citroen H van? Ah, it's got Musée de Bagage. Ah, that's the Baggage Museum in Haguenau. I went there. Amazing museum. If ever you get the chance when you're in France to go and visit the museum of luxury trunks and baggage and travel, it's absolutely amazing. So they have a little Citroen H van. Is that an H? Does it say anywhere? I don't think so. Oh. Ah, Citroen Type H. That's so cool. I'm probably tempted to play with it around the workshop. I'm probably going to leave it sealed. Let's have a closer look. That's really cool. Oh, and it even has, I don't know if you can see that on the top there, it even has luggage on the top of the van, so I'm guessing this must be a little bus or something. That's so cool. It really is. Thank you, JP. Thank you, Marie. That's very kind of you. I think I might mount that in the workshop actually. That'd be quite cool. Or the office, all depends how it goes. So that's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you very much, JP and Mary Rowland, for sending this through, and I will show you the progress of the miniature piece of luggage here. Vuitton, Louis Vuitton, amazing piece. Can't wait to get started. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.